Hi everyone, Brian Cunningham, Restoration Concrete of Georgia. We are working on a house here in the Atlanta area. This home was just purchased by this couple. It's about 70 years old or so, and they wanted to redo some things. So what we're doing on the front here, these are some old steps that are coming down. The brick is very, very old, and what we suggested, since we're putting in a concrete walkway to the front steps that we're going to be adding, we suggested that we just take these out. And so what we're going to do is we're demoing all of this, and we're going to recycle this old brick. We're going to take this back here, and we're going to build a new wall coming up, kind of like this one, that will match the front one. So this will all be consistent. Then we're going to backfill these steps with gravel, and we're going to chip off with a chipping hammer whatever we need to use. And then what we don't use, we'll backfill with gravel. We'll pour concrete on it. We're going to take all this out, landscape the front. It's going to look great. So we wanted to show you how we do this. If you want to recycle brick, you can rent or purchase, relatively inexpensive, a hammer drill, put a little chipping bit on it, and we'll show you how we do that. You just slip it in there where the mortar is and hit it, and it'll break that mortar loose, and you can chip it off and clean up this brick and reuse it.